Everyone wants to make money on YouTube, but in 2026, the rules have totally been changed. Ads alone are not enough anymore. If you are a small creator, a faceless channel, or just starting out, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you exactly how the YouTube monetization works in 2026 and the smartest way that creators are making money right now. Make sure to watch this video till the end because tip number 6 is what most YouTubers completely ignore. First, let's talk about the YouTube Partner Program. In 2026, you still need to have 1,000 subscribers and either 4,000 watch hours or 10 million short video views in the last 12 months. But here is the truth. Ads should not be your main income in 2026. CPM changes. Ads get skipped and the YouTube controls everything. Smart creators don't wait for monetization approval. In 2026, you can earn money with a lot of options. Let's talk about monetization before you are monetized. Smart creators don't wait for monetization approval. They earn money with affiliate links, digital products, paid shoutouts, and brand deals. Even with 500 subscribers, people are already making money from the YouTube platform. Now let's talk about affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest way to earn money in 2026. You recommend tools, apps, or websites and get paid per sales. For example, you may recommend educational softwares, editing softwares, AI tools, online courses, Amazon products, and many other products. But remember that one video can make money for years. The fourth option is selling digital products. Yes, digital products are exploding more in 2026. Things like that of ebooks, templates, checklists, video scripts, and many other products. If you are teaching something, even a small skill, you can monetize it now. Create once and sell forever. The fifth option is channel membership and super thanks. This is what many creators ignore. YouTube now pushes membership, super thanks, and live gifting, that is super stickers. Even a loyal audience of 100 people can earn you a monthly income. The last option is automation, that is AI automation for scaling. In 2026, creators use AI just to write scripts, edit faster, and repurpose their content. So you are expected to work smarter, not harder. Remember, the YouTube monetization in 2026 is not about the ads. It's not completely about ads, but it's about multiple income streams. Yes, start small, stay consistent, and think it like a business. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel Ethiopia First You, and comment monetize if you want a full step-by-step guide. See you next.